The 2001 MR2 Spyder. Toyota's two-seat MR2 Spyder is a modern sports car with back-to-the-roots feel. Like some Ferraris, its engine is mounted just behind the passenger compartment and ahead of the rear wheels, providing great balance and handling, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, air conditioning, front, passenger airbag, power windows, power door locks, tachometer, daytime running lights, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.